Now all we have to do is take the purple paste that we made, suck it up with this eyedropper, and add it to the purple liquid in the beaker. Get ready! It's working! The volcano is exploding! Take that, you number ninjas!
What? What is this purple stuff that's coming all around us? Ninjas! It's some kind of trap! We're getting caught in purple goop! We gotta get out of here!
But I'm stuck!
I don't like this! We can't even seem to get the numbers anyway!
And now I'm pouring the rest of our paste into the volcano. Take that, you ninjas!
Hey! My pajamas are getting all goopy!
We're gonna need to do some serious laundry here.
Oh man, there's gotta be an easier way to steal numbers than this!
I quit!